Shama Lama Ding Dong, this one's for you. Oh, what have I done with it?
You'll have to edit it, put the boring bits out forward. You can do that, can't you?
Right, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
I've lost it under pressure again. Mate, that servo spring and this steering trim and then tyre. Around there, I don't need to brake with these tyres. Oh, fucking hell. Oh. How much of close with a couple of mistakes at the end.
Tell you what, just driving around on the track, the more you, what do you call it?
Play.
Getting easier to sort of point your car where you want.